Perfect. We're live. Oh wow, guys, we're live. Oh man, we're live. We're live. How do I do this now? Share screen. I want to share trading view. Share trading view. Yo, guys, hop onto YouTube and go to my live stream, please. View your channel. Just go to my YouTube channel right now. YouTube channel. Here's the link. You guys can please hop on. We can start getting this right now. Cool. Let's see. Um, let's see. What does this look like? Yo, what's going on, guys? Okay, so how do I share the screen? No live chat. Man, that's gay. You don't have access to this feature. Oh, okay. It ability, category, thumbnail, audience. This video. Oh no, not for kids. Paid promotions. Allow automatic chapters, key moments, allow places, tags, languages, recording data, licenses, comments and ratings, comment mediation. Where's the chat? Live chat. Live chat. Participants who can send messages anyone. Let's see. Where's the chat? Oh, share screen. Can y'all see my screen? Oh, man, this is bad. Oh man, hold on. No. This makes me sad. I don't know how to work this. Hold on. Can you close the doors? They're so fucking loud. These chart share. Hold on, guys. Just bear with me, man. I'm trying to figure. Why is it on chat? Makes no uh, chat works now. Okay. Chat works. Are y'all chatting? Sweet. Alright, guys. Well, uh, I'm just stop the Zoom for today. It's still 54 of you guys. Hop onto the YouTube. Uh, we're gonna just try it out. It's whack. I'm asking you for feedback after, but if it's good, go ahead, hop off this, hop onto the YouTube. I just dropped it in the chat. I just want to try this out because if YouTube is a play, like I feel like it's a lot of mediocre people doing this in the space, and it's just like I feel like we could really take over if we do it the right way. So, yo, I'm gonna end the Zoom. Hop onto y'all hop onto the live. We'll start shit. We'll start running it type shit. Oh, okay. Here's the chat. Yo. Okay, yo, I found the chat. All right, sweet. I'm ending the Zoom. All right, cool. We found the Zoom live chat. So, yo, the chat is right under the window for the video, or it's next to the video. So depending on your browser or whatever, the chat is like right next to this. But yo, let's go ahead and dive into this. So one thing that we want to put into perspective is that on this pair right here, we have a mitigation there, and then we have a liquidity grab here. One thing we want to factor in though is we want to factor in where the DXY is. So the DXY is now coming into this extreme zone as well. So there's honestly a few setups that we could look at right now. So we're coming into this very deep level of retracement, this golden pocket type area, right? Anywhere from the 61 to the 88.6 retracement. Let me turn this bullshit off real quick. Sweet. I don't think there's much of a delay on here either. Yo, can you share your IG, bro? Yeah, that's great. I'm gonna just leave it on the screen. At Supreme Sandy at Trade Star Strategies. Trade Star Strategies. Cool. Yo, so because DXY looks like this, I mean, basically, since we've had this retracement, we could potentially have more upside now too. So, I mean, that's kind of what we would like to see, right? Key thing is what we would like to see. So since that's what we would like to see, we can go to pairs such as USD CAD and start looking at areas to catch retracements, catch entries, whatever you want to say. I don't think DXY will break or anything like that. I think USD CAD is probably the best USD pair. I think maybe Euro USD is too bullish, to be honest. A lot of these Euro crosses are pretty bullish. We had a really nice Euro odd this week, 1-7. Amazing. Let me keep going really quick. I just want to see a few things before we actually try. Euro GBP never came back. It's all good. Euro CHF, whack. Euro CAD had that move. Euro USD, homie DeAndre bought it from the low, so that thing's skyrocketing right now. Euro JPY is not too much there. Let's see the GBP pairs. Not really doing too much. GBP USD is a little bit different because it was impacted by the GBP news yesterday. So as all the other USD pairs were pulling back, this didn't really get the opportunity to do so. But what it does show me is that more than likely there's something up in here where once price does get up in here, it'll probably drop from. So that's something to keep in mind. It doesn't mean there's anything right now at this specific moment. It just means that coming up into the future type shit, there probably will be something, right? Probably will be something. Works. Let's see. Let's go back to USD CAD. Honestly, USD CAD looks the best. AUD USD looks good, but a lot of these AU pairs are pretty bullish. So I think USD CAD might be our best bet. USD CAD has very clean structure, very clean, pretty much everything. We mitigated off of this imbalance. We talked about this imbalance that's correlated with the fib down up in here. It was a lower time frame imbalance. It was like a 61. It was like a 71 retracement off of these highs. Yep. See, 71 retracement. And then we came through. We put in this new high. So we take the fib from the relative low to the relative high. What that does, it gives us that zone. We started scaling down in time frames. What we're going to start doing is once we start scaling down in the time frames, we're going to start finding where the real imbalance actually truly resides. So I'm just going to keep scaling down. And what we notice is that's the last wick up, and this is the last wick down on this specific time frame. So we can go ahead and mark that shit off. We'll go ahead and do this. Yeet. And that. And then we can start working our way down a little bit more. And that shows me the real true imbalance, right? One thing I like to do, I've made YouTube videos and Instagram reels. They've gone very viral over this, but this is volume profiling. I am a pretty big fan of volume profiling. And then we can actually scale this down. Let's go down to, let's see what the 4 is talking about. Let's talk about the 3. Let's talk about the 2. We'll look at the 1. All right, cool. So now we're finding where the actual imbalance is at. Ah, shit. Here, we need to drop this bad boy right about there. And then this one, I think we're good where we're at. Cool. So just like that, we can see that there's bids and asks. There is people buying, but there is nobody on the counterparty selling, right? So price is moving too fast, too aggressive in that specific range. So now that we have this range set up, now we can go back to the higher time frame and figure some shit out. Let me turn the replay tool off. I put the replay tool on so it was easier for me to scroll back in time to where I wanted. All right, so we're coming into this zone now. So we could honestly start scaling into USD CAD. I think the optimal entry on USD CAD would be somewhere down here. It's about 24 pips of risk. If we look at market geometry, we can see that this last move to the upside was what? It was like, so it's like 147 pips to the upside, which is cool. So, catching this kind of where it's at, shooting for a negative D extension level is cool too. But like, structure wise, we have some really, really great structure, right? We got swing low, swing high, swing higher low, swing higher high, right? So right now we're having nice structure. We're pulling back. We'd like to see price go higher. So right now, something I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be looking at USD CAD to scale into USD CAD. So scaling into USD CAD, all it really means, and I see NAS is pulling back too. So we'll talk about NAS here in a second. Let's go to USD CAD. Taking on vacation. Oh, wow. Let's see. I guess that's fine. We got an entry on USD CAD at 34639. Yeah, I mean, should be good. Yeah, so that's one thing we got on the watch list. So we can start potentially scaling into this bad boy. I didn't realize I was doing YouTube Kids. I've on it like I see you guys are saying that now. I've never done the YouTube shit before, so I'm sorry about that. USD CAD looks super, super, super fire. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I got the chat pulled up right here on my phone too. Oh wow. Tweaking on vacation with me. Limitations. How do I treat? All right, hold on, guys. I'm just USD CAD. It's about 40-ish pips from where the stop is now. All right. We're about 40 pips from where our stop is at. Cool. All right, let's shift gears real quick. Let's shift them. What the fuck is this? Let's see. Do you recommend reading books first or studying all the videos first for faster success? I don't know, bro. To be honest, I've read one or two trading books, but they were like stock books and they didn't really do shit for me. But you're not me. I'm not you. So who knows? Maybe that should work for you. Tweaking on vacation. Damn, I want to play some music, bro, but I know that if I do that, YouTube's gonna be tripping. I wonder if you could play instrumentals. I think that would be cool. Some instrumentals. Let's zoom back in on this mug. This is so much garbage. I'm just gonna delete everything. All right. So whoops. All right. We've got a liquidity grab up there. New low here. We'll fib low to the high to the new low. We got this range. I think this 15-minute candle might be just the overall move. And then obviously we could range it out and stuff like that. But taking this, oh whoops. Looking at something like this coming back to the relative low could be good. I want to correlate that 5-minute candle though. All right, yo, here's a 10-minute candle. All right, let's go ahead and zoom in a little bit. Pop this bad boy on here. Cool. All right, now we're somewhere optimal now. All right, let's see if we can get this NAS to give us a retracement up into this deeper level. We could look to kind of go short off this range. You're talking about the ebook. Yo, I would say read the ebook and then yo, I'm sorry, I thought you meant like trading in the zone or some Mark Douglas or New Market Wizards or some shit like that. No, I would say um um I think that's fine, to be honest. Yeah, let me go back to USD CAD. So USD CAD is actually in the entry zone. So you guys know how we trade. We always like to trade off these relative zones just because we like to scale into our positions. The optimal entry is here. We can just do this 40, copy, entry. I'm gonna put optimal. This is like the optimal entry. And obviously, this is just all for educational purposes. There's no financial advice being given here. I'm just showing you guys what I would like to see. Wink, wink. How y'all liking this YouTube shit so far? Is it good? Y'all prefer Zoom? What do y'all think? I'm trying to get y'all more active in the chat. I like it. Cool, man. If you like it, I love it. Like, it's good, man. Looks good. Sweet. Yo, there's a feature on here where only the subscribers can tune in. So I might just start going live and then only the subscribers will watch. Looks good. We got in the chat. All right, sweet. But yeah, so I'm explaining to you guys what I'm doing. I'm gonna start scaling into my position. YouTube for show. For show. Oh, it's already 9:30. Damn. Yo, guys, I actually have to dip here in 5 minutes. Man, I'm having a great time here on YouTube. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I'm having a great old time with y'all. I'm not gonna lie. This is pretty cool. I'm gonna create a YouTube schedule, and then a schedule for obviously our close friends and everything like that. Yeah, but I guess today USD CAD is really all I got. I would like to sit and monitor. I would like to sit and monitor NAS a little bit more. I would just say if Nas pulls back, I'm gonna let y'all know in the Discord. But to be honest, I think my main focus today is just gonna be USD CAD. So what would be nice to see as well is a potential schematic. And what I mean by a schematic is uh, off rip, we've had a pretty big selling climax. So if we can get a rally and then a test and then another rally and then a secondary test and another one and then maybe a spring, a break of structure, change of directions, maybe another test, and then we start showing signs of strength and we can start accumulating and then going. I mean, that would be really cool. That would be like the optimal idea is if we could start uh, just accumulating. The thing about Wyckoff is this is something I will tell you guys in the new course we're doing. I'm gonna go over Wyckoff pretty much in depth, just because it's a way that you can see the market, but not just see the market, but like Wyckoff is something that's worked for hundreds of years, and it's something that will continue to work. And it's just how price accumulates and also change directions. Can you look at EU? Yeah, I'll look, but I have to leave here in 2 minutes, so I'm gonna dip out. I think Euro crosses are very bullish across the board. I know what you guys are looking at, and it's this. The thing is you got to just ask yourself if it's worth the risk for you, right? You're going to be risking 13 pips if you want to be conservative, risk 24 or whatever to go back to the low. I mean, you got to just ask yourself, is this looking like it could do that? I mean, me personally, I don't know. I'm conflicted because the Euro crosses across the board are pretty bullish. So you got to just ask yourself, hey, do I think this is worth the risk for me? Because yeah, we had a lot of momentum to the downside because of news, and we've been correcting. But this correction is also having a lot of momentum to the upside. So you got to ask yourself the question if you think it's worth it for you. But with that being said, guys, this is gonna end our first YouTube live. I hope you guys enjoyed this shit as much as I enjoyed making it for you. And to be honest, like we're gonna keep them coming. But yo, I gotta dip. I gotta get a haircut, as you guys can see. But I gotta dip. It was a beautiful time. I hope you guys enjoyed the transition from Zoom to YouTube. I think it's cool. I'm gonna fuck with it a little bit more. I'm gonna get my team involved and see what they think, and then see if we can make this really cool and like more interactive, like a real stream. And then the sky's the limit. But hey, be on the lookout for USD CAD. If you guys are in the Discord or the Telegram, I'll be updating you guys there as well. And we'll see you guys at the top. Take it easy.